Introduction to HTML5. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The word hyper signifies that the user can view World Wide Web pages. Text is anything written in English or in alphanumeric characters. Markup means you can mark up the text you have written as special indicators through special tags. Language signifies that HTML is a programming language. However, unlike traditional programming languages, it is a language that uses special symbols called tags. HTML does not use variables and constants. It includes two kinds of text, content and markup. Content is the information like text, pictures, audio and video to be displayed on the screen. Markup is the information inserted in the HTML script to control the display. HTML files include both control information, tags or elements, and content, data, which can together describe the appearance and content of web pages. Thus, HTML is a set of instructions given to a web browser to describe the structure of a web page. HTML documents can be created with any word processor or text editor such as Notepad. Benefits of HTML. HTML provides the following benefits. HTML is easy to learn and execute as it is based on tags. HTML is an interpreter-based language as its commands are executed instruction by instruction. It is a platform-independent language, which means it can be executed on any operating system and is supported by all browsers. It allows the use of different tags to make the document look more attractive. It provides paragraph alignment features, so you can align your text as per your choice. You can also insert images, tables, and animated text or graphics on the web page using tags. HTML also allows linking of different web pages. HTML editor. HTML editors are programs used for creating web pages. They make HTML formatting faster and easier. There are two types of HTML editors, WYSI WYG editor and text editor. WYSI WYG editors. WYSI WYG stands for What You See is What You Get. These editors allow a developer to see what the end result will look like while the document is being created. While using WYSI WYG editors, users do not require the knowledge of HTML. These editors allow the users to see how the page will be displayed in a web browser. They are equipped with graphical interfaces and tools for developing web pages and inserting images, tables, lists, hyperlinks, etc. The WYSI WYG editors help to create the websites quickly. Some popular WYSI WYG editors are Adobe Dreamweaver, Microsoft Front Page, and Google Web Designer. Text editors. Text editors like WordPad and Notepad can be used to create HTML documents. Text editors provide a variety of features like HTML validator, auto-completion of coding, FTP, syntax highlighting, table generator, and URL highlighting. Text editors can be used to develop web page by the user who have some knowledge of HTML commands. Browser. Web browsers are used to view HTML documents. Some commonly used web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Opera. Tags, elements, and attributes. HTML code consists of tags, elements, and attributes. Tags. Tags are known as the building blocks of a web page. They do not appear in the browser window. Tags are not case sensitive. For example, HTML and HTML will have the same effect. Each tag in HTML follows specific rules and syntax. Each tag must begin with a less than symbol and end with a greater than symbol. Syntax: HTML on tag /HTML of tag. Elements. HTML elements are of two types: container elements and empty elements. 1. Container element. The element that has both the tags, that is, the starting tag as well as the ending tag, is known as a container element. Hence, the container elements include both on tag symbol and off tag symbol. The off tag is same as the on tag except for the slash symbol used after the less than sign. For example, to define text as a first level heading, you use h1 tags as shown below. h1 new world /h1. The following code illustrates container elements: HTML, body, h1 new world /h1 /body /HTML. The above code will display the output as shown. 2. Empty element. The element that only has a starting tag, that is on tag, and no end tag, that is off tag, is called an empty element. For example, BR is an empty element which is used to give a line break as illustrated in the following code. HTML, body, h1, new world /h1, Anya Rathore, BR, Advik Verma, BR, /body /HTML. The output of the above code is as shown. Attribute. An attribute is a property that provides additional information about an HTML element. An attribute for a tag is always specified inside the opening tag. For example, h1 align equal to left aligns the heading to the left. We can have more than one attribute inside a tag. Structure of HTML document. Following is the structure of an HTML document. HTML, head, title, /title, /head, body, /body, /HTML. HTML element. An HTML document must always begin with an HTML tag. It is a container element that identifies the document as an HTML document. This element is not visible when displayed on the browser, but it gives a hint to the browser that the document is an HTML document. The HTML tag represents the root of an HTML document. Head element. The head element is a container element for metadata, data about data, and is placed between the HTML tag and the body tag. The head element can include a title for the document, scripts, style, etc. The element tag can go inside the head element are title, style, base, link, meta, script, and no script. Title element. The title element contains the document title, which is displayed on the topmost bar of the browser. This element is used within the head tag. Body element. The body tag defines the document's body. The body element contains all the contents of an HTML document such as text, hyperlinks, images and tables. Creating HTML document. We will be using the Notepad to create an HTML document. Follow these steps to create an HTML document using the Notepad. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Scroll down the list and click on Windows Accessories. 3. Click on the Notepad option. The Notepad window will appear. 4. In the Notepad, type the program given alongside. Saving HTML document. Follow these steps to save an HTML document. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Select the Save option. 3. A Save As dialog box will open. Type the file name in the File Name box and give an extension as .html. 4. Click on the Save button to save your web page. Viewing HTML document. We will view an HTML document using Google Chrome. Follow these steps to view an HTML document using Google Chrome. 1. Open Google Chrome. In the address bar of Google Chrome, type file:// with the letter for the drive in which your HTML file is saved, such as file://e:, and press the Enter key. Here it is the E drive. 2. The directories and files on that particular drive will be displayed in the Chrome window. Now move to the directory that contains the HTML file and double-click on it. 3. Click on the HTML file. Once you find it in the list, the file will be displayed in the Chrome window. Heading. Heading is used to emphasize the text. HTML provides 6 levels of headings. H1 displays the text in the largest size and is mainly used for main headings. H6 is the smallest size and is used for subheadings. The various heading tags are given below. H1/H1, H2/H2, H3/H3, H4/H4, H5/H5, H6/H6. The given codes illustrate the use of heading element. The output of the above code is shown alongside. By default, all browsers align headings on the left. Most browsers, however, support alignment attributes which also allow you to align the headings as per your choice. The following table shows the alignment attributes. Heading attribute. Effect. Align equal to left. Aligns the heading to the left. Align equal to right. Aligns the heading to the right. Align equal to center. Aligns the heading in the center. Align equal to justify. Aligns the heading between the two margins. To use the alignment attributes, include them in the initial heading tag as shown below. H1 align equal to left, left aligned heading /H1. Paragraph. The paragraph tag is used to display a long text on a web browser. The P tag indicates the starting of a paragraph and /P tag indicates the closing of a paragraph. The code given alongside illustrates the use of paragraph tag. Line break. Line break element splits the line and displays the text on a new line. It works like the Enter key on a keyboard. The line break can be introduced in an HTML document with the help of the BR tag. It is an empty element, so it has no end tag. The code given alongside illustrates the use of the line break tag. Bold. The bold tag is used to emphasize the text. The tag used is B. The text which is to be displayed in bold is typed between B and /B tags. The code given alongside illustrates the use of bold tag. Italic. The italic tag displays the text in italic style. It is used to draw the attention of a reader. The tag used is I. The text which is to be italicized is typed between I and /I tags. The code given alongside illustrates the use of italic tag. Underline. The underline tag displays the text with an underline. The tag used is U. The text which is to be underlined is typed between U and /U tags. The blank spaces between the words are also underlined. The given code illustrates the use of underline tag. Cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets, CSS, provides the set of style rules. It is used to control the color of the text, style of fonts, font size, etc. A style sheet consists of a property and a value. Font family and color are examples of property. The value is an option chosen for a property. For example, Arial, red, color, property, green, value. Ways of applying CSS. The style sheet can be applied in the following ways. Inline. In this method, the style attribute can be used with any element in the body section, including the body tag itself. Here, the declaration is to be repeated with every element, even if you want to apply the same style sheet. For example, HR style equal to width is to 50%. Internal style sheet. In this method, the effect gets applied to all the elements of the type with which the style declaration has been specified. It makes use of the style tag. HTML, head, style, HR, height is to 5%, background color, blue, /style, /head, body, /body, /HTML. External style sheet. In this method, the style rules are written separately in one file. The file is saved with an extension .css. Therefore, two files are created, one containing the style sheet and the other containing the HTML code. Font element. The font element enables you to change the color, font, size and alignment of the text on a web page. The size, color and face attributes are used with the font element. 1. Size. The size attribute is represented as font size equal to value. The valid value ranges from 1 to 7 and by default the size is 3. Example, font size equal to 6 changes the value of text size to 6 /font to color. The color attribute changes the color of the text that will appear on the screen. It specifies the font size. Color in #RRGGBB number or with color names. This color applies only to the text surrounded by the font tags. Example, font size equal to 5, color equal to red. This font size 5 is in red color /font. 3. Face. The face attribute sets the typeface or font style that will be used to display the text on the screen, provided the typeface is already installed on the user's machine. Example, font size equal to 5, color equal to red, face equal to Times New Roman, comma, Arial, comma, Lucida Sans. The text in this case will be displayed in Times New Roman, and if that font is not present, then in Arial, and so on.